excited about Bouyiourdi.
Bouyiourdi, yes. It's an earthenware baked strata, a stacking of feta, some cassetti. I'm using Gouda in this instance because it melts well. There's some tomato in there, oregano. It's like a Greek fondue. Let's get cooking.
Let's get eating.
Yum, yum. I call it a Greek fondue because the cheese gets ooey and gooey. You're gonna need an oven-safe kind of a bowl like this. Let's assemble our bouyiourdi. So fill the bottom with a tomato, diced tomato concoction, as the French say it, followed by the cheese slice. This is the Gouda. You need any type of white cheese. I like the Gouda because it melts well. Followed by a layer of feta. For the whole thing, you need a slab and a half. Diced tomatoes again. See where we're going with this.
Yeah, you're layering.
The key with the bouyiourdi is feta and a yellow type of a cheese together go together amazingly. Let's put our pepper on top. We got 5-6 slices here. This is a cubanella pepper. You can use a banana pepper. Olive oil. Just enough to cover the top there. That's probably about a quarter cup, 4 tablespoons. Greek oregano, a teaspoon. Chili flakes for you is an option. For me, you got to put a little, goes a long way. A pinch like that, okay? You don't want to blow anybody's head off. I like the heat. We're going to cover this with foil. Let's put our bouyiourdi in the oven. Preheated 400 oven. There we go. Middle rack, 20 minutes. Here's our bouyiourdi, folks.
Peter, this looks amazing.
There we go.
Wow.
Still hot.
Ooh, that looks so good. I think you'll absolutely love this. Another great dish, another great dip.
Καλή Όρεξη.
And subscribe, please.